Chloe sits elegantly in white, sipping coffee. Gasps from onlookers. Chloe jumps up, horrified. Sophia, Chloe's friend, without hesitation, she yanks the golden tablecloth off the table. Cutlery clatters. Crowd murmurs in surprise. Sophia cuts the fabric, whips out pink sewing machine. Onlookers lean in, amazed. Chloe's stained top comes off, golden fabric wraps around her like magic. Chloe slips them on, Crocs gone. Crowd starts applauding. Chloe struts by the ocean in her golden outfit, hair flowing. She strikes a pose, Sugarloaf Mountain behind her, smiles.